Natural resources. Things such as soil, metals, plants, fossil fuels, animals and minerals are called resources. These resources exist naturally, without any human interference. This is why they are called natural resources. Air, water, wood, solar energy, wind energy and hydroelectric energy are other examples of natural resources. There are two types of natural resources: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources, natural resources such as sunlight, air, water, soil, forests, plants and animals are resources that do not get completely used up or exhausted. These are known as renewable or inexhaustible resources. Non-renewable resources, the resources which once used up, are not renewed by nature, or renewed very slowly over millions of years. For example, fuels like coal, petroleum and minerals like gold, iron and copper. Renewable resources. Soil. Soil is the topmost layer of the Earth's surface. Plants grow in soil. They get water and mineral salts from the soil. Since plants make food for all living things depend on soil for food. For humans, soil is used for growing different kinds of cereals, vegetables and fruits. It is also useful for making building materials such as bricks and cement. Clay, obtained from soil, is used to make beautiful pots and utensils. Water. Humans, plants and animals all require water to live. We need water to drink, bathe, wash, irrigate fields and for various other purposes. Water is a precious resource. We should not waste it. Various steps are taken to save water. Forests. Forest is the homeland of wild animals and storehouse of Ayurvedic medicines. Plants grow on their own in the forest. The kinds of plants that grow in a forest depends on the climate and soil of that place. Forests are useful to us in many ways. We get wood, medicines, paper and oxygen from them. To conserve forests, we should stop cutting trees just to satisfy our greed. Otherwise, it can lead to floods, landslides and total destruction, especially in hilly areas, as we witnessed it in Uttarakhand in the year 2013. Animals. Animals and humans both are dependent on one another. Animals raised by us, for our use, are known as livestock. Some of the animals domesticated by us are cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats and camels. Solar energy. Solar energy is used these days for lighting street lights, solar water heaters and solar cookers. Many villages are now being run entirely on their own solar power grid. It is also being used to pump water for irrigation. Wind power. Windmills have been set up in many states, such as Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Gujarat to provide electricity, generated with the help of wind. Non-renewable resources. Minerals and fuels. Rocks on the earth are made up of substances called minerals. Minerals are another important natural resources. We get metals such as iron, copper, aluminium, gold and silver from minerals. Fuels such as petrol, diesel, natural gas and coal are also obtained from the earth. Petrol, diesel and natural gas are obtained from petroleum. Petroleum is also known as black gold. In today's time, petroleum is very limited and it should be conserved at every possible level. Natural resources must be used very carefully. Once used up, they will not be again available to us. Coal and petroleum, the fuels which provide energy, are being rapidly used up. To save these minerals, we should depend more on alternative sources of energy that will never be exhausted. For example, solar energy and wind energy.